Welcome to Enrichment Financial's instructional video on how to use the personal budget for teens. This video is great for teens who are just learning to budget. On the Getting Started tab, we have a link to the video which you are watching now. Below that, we have our website and our social medias listed where you can find more content and products. For the sake of this demo, we will use the January budget tab. However, you'll notice we have all 12 months listed below and they are all laid out the exact same. A budget is basically a plan for how you are going to spend your money, and your budget is made up of two parts, your income and your expenses. Up top, we have the income as the first category. All the subcategories on the sheet can be changed what you need them to be. For example, under income, you can change it to allowance, or paycheck, or even side hustle. Below, we have expenses. We put savings under expenses because you're paying yourself. And each subcategory under expenses can be changed to what you want them to be as well. You also have the ability to type in the budget in actual cells. Your budget cells are where you assign your money for a role. For example, let's say you expect to make $500 for the month of January and you expect to spend $100 on food. You expect to spend $50 on entertainment. And as you go through, fill out each line where you expect to spend money and put the amount under the budget column. You'll notice as I was typing the budget, the bar graph named budget expense versus income tells you if you plan to spend more than you make. We also have three lines: total budget income, total budget expenses, and budget left to spend. Your budget left to spend is your income minus expense. This allows you to see how much of your planned budget you can still put in categories. Ideally, you want to get this to 0. Then you type in your actuals. Next to your actuals, you will see an OU column. That tells you if you went over or under your budget on that row. A negative in the OU column under income means you didn't make as much as you planned. A negative in the expense section means you overspent. As I begin to type in my actuals, you'll notice the pie chart adjusts to show you what percent of your income you spent on each category. Finally, we have the dashboard tab. The first thing you should take notice of is your annual savings goal in the upper right corner. This is the only thing you can edit on this tab. That's where you put how much you want to save for the year. You can change it at any point. As you enter savings on the monthly tabs, your progress down below will show as a percentage saved towards your goal. For example, we said we want to save $2,500 this year. Based on the savings amount we've entered in the months, we are 5% towards our goal. Your bar at the top will show your income year to date, expense year to date, savings year to date, and average monthly spending. And your two graphs below show your total spending by month and your top spending by category. And last, this dashboard is fed off of your monthly tabs. Whatever you enter in each month gets totaled and displayed on your dashboard.